Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the differences between Node.js and Django. Let's compare both of them and see which one is better for you. And we have picked some topic to discuss and make some differences among them. So let's get started. Beginner friendly. So to talk about this topic, let's see both of the projects made with Node.js and Django. At first, we will see a project made with Node.js. Here, this is a typical structure that you'll find in a Node.js app made with Express. So here, we have app.js and we have created some. Here we have used express.json, cookie parser. All of these are middlewares, and we have given the routes. These are like blueprints in Flask if you have used it ever. So it is very similar to that. It is just defining the default URL path. Like you can just add post/user or post/1, anything you'd like. Here we have used it as a router, and we have models where we put all the database schema. I have used MongoDB in this project, so you can see that I have used Mongoose and defined all the attributes and their properties. We have routes here. I have used the previously shown routers and just fixed this slash as the original path and /create post where we have used the router. Here we have exported from this file and have been imported to app.js and given the default route. We have given the router from the respective file, and the process goes the same for both of these route files. Now we have controller. This is like the major part of what we will see and work in throughout our project, and this is where all the functions take place, all the requests and responses are processed. So let's take a look at Django project. This is a Django project, and you can see that we have already managed framework where we don't have to write our URL settings, and it's more like bundle up for you to use in a very easy way. You don't have to create your files like URLs at the first. You can just create Django project, and you can see folder as suite main. It is just app created inside the Django app, and I have used Django RESTful. So in sense of giving my perspective, Django is like really beginner friendly, and you also get admin panel which is really helpful while you are getting started with things. And Node.js on the other hand is a little different. In that case, you have to know what you are doing, and both of them are easy. Still, I think Django is more beginner friendly. Let's get into our another topic, that is scalability. So talking about scalability, Node.js is a single threaded runtime where the processes takes place and are processed in a single thread. We can use asynchronous programming to run different processes in the background, and it is not like we are just bound to use a single thread. We can just manipulate that, but still Node.js is created in mind with scalability at the top. So it really is scalable. And in terms of Django, you have like runtime that is really different from Node.js. In Django, it really tries to use all the resources it has to get a best performance. So I think that's all about the scalability. Let's go to the another topic, well built. I think both of these runtime, the Node.js and Django, both are great in their own way, and I think both of them are well built. And still, we haven't talked about the third party here, Golang, which is really great in terms of speed, and the concurrent model is just great, and it is also very easy to learn. Probably we'll talk someday about Go also. In another topic, user experience. I think both Node.js and Django provides a very great user experience. User be the programmer, where really the things are well built and you can get all the packages for your specific purpose. So I don't think there is really a difference that can be made in terms of well built structure, dev community or ecosystem. I think both of the runtime Node.js and Django has a great community and an ecosystem built around it, and these really are the most used programming language by all the people around the world. So there is really no issue about finding your right community, your right interest, and getting what you want from the dev community. Let's now talk about my favorite. I think Node.js is like the starting point where I got really good at backend development. I don't think that it really has some specific reason for this, but I think Node.js is a great runtime and it gets things done. It is well structured. I really don't have a lot of things to complain about, so I think Node.js is my favorite. I might change my mind in future, probably it will be Go or something, but we will see. So I think it's all about the time, and I'm finished talking about both of these framework. Let me know which one you will choose, and or which one you are using right now. Comments down below, and if you like this video, please leave a like or subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.